The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 3 for further details.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Morgan County until 2:30 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Woodson, or 7 miles south of Jacksonville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Alexander. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 71 and 78.